Question 8, it says use the appropriate procedures to respond to the following questions. Assume movie duration follows an approximately normal distribution. So we're dealing with normal distributions. That means I'm going to need my normal calculations and distributions template. So I'll pull that up here. And we'll be dealing with this section here. Suppose that a movie length, duration in minutes, is normally distributed variable with mean of 118 minutes and a standard deviation of 16.84 minutes. What should be the duration of a movie to be in the top 10% of longest movies? Use sample size n equals 1. So since we want to find the top 10%, we're going to use our means inverse normal calculations. So this is to calculate the values of x given a probability. So we want the probability to be 10%, and it says that our mean is 118. So 118. And then our sample size says to use 1. And then our standard deviation is 16.84. So we're looking for the top 10% longest movies. So it has to be greater than 10%. 10% of the observations must be greater than. So this would be our answer here. Copy this. And paste it here. Reference this value here. For part B, it says suppose that a movie length, duration in minutes is normally distributed. So again, it's a normal distribution. So we'll be using the same templates. And distributed variable with the mean of 117 minutes and a standard deviation of 15.8 minutes. What is the probability that a randomly selected movie will have the duration of less than 1/2 an hour? So for this one, we're looking for a probability. So instead of using the inverse normal calculations, we're going to be using the means normal calculations. So this is to calculate a probability of a distribution given a mean and a standard deviation. So for this one, our mean is 117. And our standard deviation is 15.8. And our sample size is going to be 1. And it says less than 1.5 hours. So 1.5 hours is actually equal to 90 minutes. 90 minutes. That's our x value here. So now it's, well, first let me copy this. Okay. And now it says suppose the movie. Okay, it says what is the probability that randomly selected movie will have a duration of less than half of 1/2 an hour. So we want the probability to be less than 90 minutes. So this would be our answer here. So we can just reference that.